Assalamu alaikum and welcome to AKS Academy. And today lecture we are learning a PowerPoint for a presentation. Let's open our PowerPoint. We create a new blank presentation. Here you can see the PowerPoint is on. Here you can see the title. Click to add subtitle, etc. You can change manually. It is too long, taken too long. We will change this automatically by using a slide master. Here you come, you see, first we change the title of our presentation. Then we change the editing part of our presentation. Now you can change everything from here. Times New Roman, size 32. Similarly, you can change from this. Times New Roman 24 is okay. For title 32 is okay, and for writing we use 24 size is okay. You can change the date to Time New Roman 24 bold. You can also change this footer, and you can change also this 2 times New Roman. You can change the color of this by this option. You can change the color of this by this option. I keep black. I change the color of this. Similarly this. The color will be automatically changed. Now come here, slide master, and close. You can see when you create a new slide, the slide master will be automatically created. How we can enter the date here? Go to insert option. You can see a header and footer option. Clicking on this, slide number, footer, apply to all automatically comes. You can delete slide from here. You can duplicate slide from here. New slide from here. From here you can also change a title, new slide, etc. Everything from here. You can insert shapes from here. Every type of shapes are available here. Now we add our some smart chart here, introduction, problem, objective,